No need for an introduction. Sheet pan pork tenderloins and apples is what's on the menu. This recipe is so flavorful and it doesn't take much effort to turn it into a full meal. Let's get started. To create this deliciousness, you will need, of course, your pork tenderloin, cinnamon, paprika, olive oil, garlic clove, Honeycrisp apple, acorn squash, yellow onion, and dried cherries. Let's start by preheating our oven to 400, and you'll also need to core and chop your apple, slice your acorn squash, and thinly slice your onion. Next, line your pan with a foil sheet, spray it with some cooking spray, and then lay on your tenderloin. In a small bowl, you're going to stir your cinnamon and your paprika mixture together. Then you're going to brush the pork with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and sprinkle with 1.5 teaspoons of your cinnamon mixture, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. All right, our pork is seasoned. Let's move on to our sides. In another bowl, you're going to toss the garlic, apples, squash, onions, and the remaining cinnamon mixture, olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper each, and the cherries. And you're going to spread the mix all around the pork. You're going to bake this for 25 minutes. It's been about 25 minutes. Our pork is done, the vegetables and the apples are tender, but don't cut into it just yet. We need to let it rest for 5 minutes so that all those delicious juices can reabsorb back into our meat. All right, it's ready to serve. Pair this sweet and savory dish with mashed potatoes, mashed cauliflower, or a salad. That's it for today. You enjoy, and I will see you again.